Hi there, my name is Neil, and today I'll be guiding you through the AirBox user interface. Here you can see the playlist grid. This is the currently loaded playlist that the streamer is playing. You can also see here the clip timer. If you double click the clip timer, it will be in countdown mode. If you double click it again, it will go back to its normal mode. The top counter, as you can see here, indicates the playtime of the entire playlist. Below the clip timers, you will find the basic controls. You can start to play a media file by clicking the play button. You can also stop the streamer from playing by selecting the stop button. You can also pause it, and you can play the next clip by selecting this button. You can also return to the last jump point, which will activate if you jump using this command to the next video in the playlist. By doing this, you can use the reverse option to jump back if necessary. You can also queue media files by using this option here. For example, if you're playing the first file, you can select another file and you can activate the queue button. After the first file has ended, it will play your queued file directly afterwards. As you can see, I have now begun playout. In the top left hand side of the screen are your main options. By clicking the File tab, you can create a playlist, load an existing playlist, append a playlist, and much more. In the Edit tab, you can clear lists, and you can also view the properties of the current file that is playing in your playlist. In the View tab, you can activate various timers. Here, I will activate the System timer. This displays the local time of the country that I am currently recording in. You can also activate an external video window for a preview. You can resize this window, making it smaller or bigger. If you want to reverse this feature, you can select External Video Window again. Now, the external video window has been restored back to the main preview area. In the Settings menu, there are a variety of input and output settings. One of the most important settings is the Output Settings window. Here, you can select the video standards, the aspect ratio, and you can also select the output. You can add deltacast, virtual output, unified IP output, unified SDI output, MPEG transport streaming, preview, and decklink DMT. Here, you can also add logos and much more. You can also set your streamer to launch a specific playlist from a predefined folder by clicking on the daily playlist folder located here. If you save this option, the next time you open AirBox, it will load the playlist located there. You can also use the Launch on Windows Start option and set a delay for this. For example, if this option is activated, I can set a 10 seconds delay after my operating system starts. I can also select the Start Minimized option if I want to start AirBox as a minimized window. Here we have the tools available within AirBox: the Commands menu, the Help menu. You can also see here a line of available commands. The first button on the left allows you to create a new playlist by selecting media files. You can also load a playlist from a folder, save a playlist, or save your playlist as a daily playlist. You can also remove selected clips and delete them permanently from your hard drive, using this button here. You can clear the entire playlist grid using this button, and it will stop the streamer if it is playing. You can move a clip up or move a clip down in the playlist by using these buttons here. You can also reset the list using this button here. You can randomize selected items within the grid by selecting this button. By using the Properties button, you can open the Properties window. You can use the clip trimmer by selecting a file in your playlist that is not currently playing. As you can see here, this is the clip trimmer window. And that covers the basics of the AirBox user interface. See you in the next video.